good morning monkeys, happy Tuesday. So for today's video, I'm going to do a story and then a little science experiment that goes along with the story. So, as always, Smokey is in the video, but the story today that I'm going to read is Little Blue and Little Yellow, and this is by Leo Leone. It's a cute little story about two colors and what happens when they mix together. Okay. We're going to start our story. This is Little Blue. Here he is at home with Papa and Mama Blue. Little Blue has many friends, but his best friend is Little Yellow, who lives across the street. How they love to play hide and seek and ring around the rosy. In school, they sit in neat rows. After school, they run and jump. One day, Mama Blue went shopping. "You stay home," she said to Little Blue. But Little Blue went out to look for Little Yellow. Alas, the house across the street was empty. He looked here. I don't see Little Yellow. And there. And everywhere. Until suddenly, around the corner, there was Little Yellow. There he is. Happily, they hugged each other. Can you guys see what's happening when they hug each other? What's happening in the middle? And hugged each other until they were green. Then they went to play in the park. They ran through a tunnel. They chased Little Orange and climbed a mountain. When they were tired, they went home. But Papa and Mama Blue said, "You're not our Little Blue, you are green." And Papa and Mama Yellow said, "You're not our Little Yellow, you are green." Little Blue and Little Yellow were very sad. They cried big blue and yellow tears. They cried and cried until they were all tears. When they finally pulled themselves together, they said, "Will they believe us now?" Mama Blue and Papa Blue were very happy to see their Little Blue. They hugged and kissed him, and they hugged Little Yellow too. But look, they became green. Now they knew what happened. And so they went across the street to bring the good news. They all hugged each other with joy, and the children played till supper time. The end. And there is our green. Okay, so this is an awesome story to talk about how two colors can make a new color, like blue and yellow make green. So something that we do in the monkey room is we like to tie-dye some coffee filters. So this is a super easy science experiment to talk about what happens when colors mix together. To do this at home, all you would need is, I'm using a large coffee filter. You could do it on a piece of paper towel, a napkin, anything like that. So I'm going to put that on my cardboard just so it doesn't leak on my table. I'm going to use these droppers to get the colors. You don't necessarily have to use these, but if you have them at home, these are also great for fine motor skills. I'm going to use 2 bowls of water and then some food coloring. So I'm going to take my food coloring out. Let's see. I have blue, green, purple, and pink. So I'm going to do, you will just do pink and blue and see if that makes a new color or if it just leads together. So I'm just going to put a few drops in the water. Pink there. 1, 2, 3. My blue there. I'm going to mix those up. And then I'll put them on my, put them on my coffee filter. Okay. I'm going to squeeze, take a few little drops. I'm just going to drop it all over my coffee filter and see what happens. Do a little more blue. Okay. Right, now I'm going to take the pink. We're going to get some of the pink and put that on our coffee filter and see what happens when the 2 colors kind of bleed together. You don't need too much if you're using a coffee filter, as you probably know, because a lot of water will kind of make it go through. But once they dry, it actually creates a cool little tie-dye pattern, as you see here. You can always add more color or less color. If you want the colors to be darker, just add more water. Don't add more water, add more of the food coloring. We did this for a couple weeks in the monkey room in the science center because the children loved it. They loved seeing what the colors made. They loved tie-dyeing these pieces of paper, and then they were easy to just hang up in the room. It's a very simple and easy science experiment. So if you want to try that out at home, you should. Send me pictures if you do. I know a couple friends were already doing this at home, which is awesome because they love doing it at school so much. But let me know if you do, and have a happy Tuesday. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.